Welcome to Daily Angelic Messages for Saturday, May 16th, 2020, day number 137. The angelic message for today is spend time in nature. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart, a nice deep breath out, and wholeheartedly listening to today's beautiful message. We angels have been counseling you to spend time outdoors among the trees, plants, birds, and fresh air because we can see the therapeutic benefits for the body, mind, and soul. You've heard our promptings and you feel the longing to commune with nature. We'll help you put this energy into action today. No matter what else you have planned, we suggest that you spend time in a natural setting. Even if you live or work in this city, there are still parks, trees, and grass that you can visit. Nature releases the tension that comes from straining to match up the timetable of too many calendars and schedules. You aren't a machine like a clock or a watch, and pushing yourself to meet deadlines pull you out of your natural rhythms and cause you to feel fragmented, awkward, or disoriented. Today, allow the outdoors to heal the pressures and tensions in your life and revive your sense of self. Recapture your instinct for good timing by placing your feet on the earth, leaning against a tree, and breathing fresh air. The thought for today, repeating after me. I make time for myself today by going outdoors. As I breathe in fresh air, I'm revived and refreshed. I give myself the gift of nature. Have a most beautiful, blessed day.